Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting video. On the menu today we have chicken beef bites. So I will be taking you guys through step by step on how to craft this delicious chicken beef bites. Alright, so let's get started. We are starting off with our protein, guys. Yes, remember we are making chicken beef bites, so we need both protein, which is the chicken and the beef. Okay, as you can see, we are starting off with our chicken, and we are making use of this part called the chicken breast. Yes, so go ahead and wash them with salt, okay, and lemon. Make sure they are clean. Afterwards, you slice them in bite size, okay, or cube size. All right, keep going. Now we are slicing our beef, yes, in that same size. All right, we are done. So you go ahead and set it aside, okay? Next up, get a clean pan, drizzle in some amount of oil, your vegetable oil, and go in with your diced or chopped protein. Yes, our chicken and our beef. Now go in with some ginger and garlic paste. Stir that in, add some salt, and stir to well combine. So guys, we're gonna allow it to fry, okay? Yes, for some minutes, and then flip the other side and continue to fry, okay? Now we are checking again, guys. Look at the juice. Yes, we'll continue to fry, okay, until the water goes down. So guys, add in a tablespoon of paprika. Go in with your diced onions and some thyme. Yes, let's say a teaspoon of thyme, and stir that in. Okay. And continue to fry here. So guys, it's coming up so well. Now go in with some seasoning. Next is your curry powder. Yeah, go in with a tablespoon of curry powder and stir that in. It's looking good, guys. Next up is your peppers. Yes, we use Scotch bonnet peppers. So guys, if you want it more spicy, increase your peppers, okay? So once you've added that, stir it, okay? All right, we're gonna allow it to cook. Yes, we want our protein soft, right? So we cook it until it is soft. Let's test for salt, guys. Perfect. Now add in a tablespoon of cornstarch. It will serve as a thickener, okay? Just to get it a bit sticky and together, yeah. And if you notice, we added our dry parsley. Yes, just to garnish it up. And guys, at this point, we are done. Get it off the heat, okay? And there you have it. Our well-cooked, spicy, delicious chicken beef sauce is set, guys. Now, moving on to the next one. In a clean bowl, go in with your flour. You're making use of 3 cups, okay? Next, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder. Now, mix to evenly distribute, okay? Done. Next up, go in with 1 large egg and your butter. We are making use of 125 grams of butter, yes. All right, it's time to mix. So guys, we are mixing with our hand, okay? If you have mixer, it is perfect and easier, yes. But if you do not have mixer, you go this way, all right? So mix it until it resembles breadcrumbs. Now go in with your milk. Yes, we're making use of cold milk. Yes, it will make it come out flaky. All right, yes. Flaky, crunchy, like, yes. Add it bit by bit, okay? And also note that in total we made use of half cup of milk. Yes, liquid milk. All right, keep mixing until it looks this way. So guys, we're gonna allow it, okay, to sit for some time. Yes. Now go ahead and cover it. Next up, guys, sprinkle some flour on your work surface just like this and transfer your dough on it, okay? Now sprinkle also on your dough and knead until it is smooth, okay? And if this is your first time meeting my video, my name is Ijoma. You can call me IJ or Oma for short, okay? Please do well to be part of the family. You can only do that by subscribing, all right? Turn on your notification bell also to get notified each time I post new video. Thank you. So guys, let's continue. At this point, we are done kneading, okay? Now, divide the dough into two, just like this. Yes, set that one aside and knead a bit, trying to bring them together, form a ball, just like this. Now, it's time to roll it out. Yes, flatten it. I want to say a very big thank you, yes, to my subscribers, both newest and returning. Thank you guys for your massive love and support. I really appreciate. Thank you. So guys, it is time to cut out the cases here. You can use any round object. It could be your bowl or your plate, yes, provided it has round shape, as you can see, guys. So you continue until you are through with it, all right? So guys, it is time to fill in, okay? Get your flattened dough, yes, and scoop in the chicken beef sauce, the one we prepared earlier. Yes, just watch me how I do it. All right, get another flattened dough and cover it, okay? Yeah, press it down, okay, to seal it up. Just like this, guys. Now, get your spoon, yes, and seal it up completely, just like this. It will also give it a nice design, yes, just like this, guys. It's looking good. Looking good. All right, moving on to the next one. Get your flattened dough, scoop in your sauce. All right, you can make smaller size, you can make bigger size. It just depends on what you want. Now seal it up with your hands before using the spoon, okay? Yes, in that way you are sure it is properly sealed. It won't get to open while baking, okay? So guys, we are done. Go ahead and do same with the remaining flat doughs, okay? All set, guys. Now brush in some beaten egg yolk on them, just like this, guys. It will give it a perfect shiny brownie finish look, yes, after baking. So don't skip it, okay? All right, so you keep going. We are through, guys. It is looking so good. So pop it into your oven, okay, and bake for 20 minutes, all right? Or continuously watch when it turns golden brown, all right? And there you have it, guys. Our delicious spicy chicken beef bite is set, guys. It's looking good. Please give this recipe a shot, okay? Oh my, Guys, it is looking so good. Try it out and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment below, okay? And if you have any question, leave it there. I will answer. So guys, it is time to taste it, okay? So you test with me. All right. So let's divide it. Oh my gosh. I know you are salivating already. Please, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe also. Okay? Thank you. Bye.